Hello students, today we are going to study about human respiratory system. Human respiratory system, I have drawn the diagram on the board. Human respiratory system brings about 3 steps. The first step is that is inspiration. Second, that is expiration. And third step, that is exchange of gases in lungs. Exchange of gases in lungs. Okay. There is 3 steps. Inspiration means what? That is the intake of air. म्हणजेच वातावरणामधली एअर नॉस्ट्रिल्स थ्रू या पॅसेज थ्रू आत घेणे कुठं लंग्समध्ये, या प्रोसेसला म्हणायचं इन्स्पिरेशन. ओके, ज्याला श्वास घेणे म्हणतात इन्स्पिरेशन. दॅट इज द इनटेक ऑफ एअर इनसाइड द लंग्स. अँड एक्सपिरेशन मीन्स व्हॉट? दॅट इज द एक्सपेल ऑफ एअर फ्रॉम द लंग्स. ओके, रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस, दॅट इज द एक्सपिरेशन. And third step is that is the exchange of gases that takes place inside the lungs. Lungs are the purification center for the blood. म्हणजेच काय की या लंग्समध्ये ब्लडचं प्युरिफिकेशन होते. काय होतं की जसं एअरमधलं ऑक्सिजन जो आहे तो एअरमधलं ऑक्सिजन जसं एअरफोर्स केले जाते इन्स्पिरेशन प्रोसेसने, जेव्हा एअर लंग्समध्ये जाते आणि लंग्स काय होते एक्सपॉन्ड होते. ठीक आहे, त्यावेळेला काय होतं की जे एअरमध्ये जो ऑक्सिजन असतो तो काय होतो, या ठिकाणी ब्लडचं सर्क्युलेशन आहे, या ठिकाणी ब्लडचं सर्क्युलेशन असते लंग्समध्ये. तर ब्लडमध्ये ऑक्सिजन मिक्स होतं आणि त्याच वेळेला काय कार्बन डायऑक्साईड काय होतं डिफ्यूज होतो लंग्समध्ये, जो एक्सपिरेशन प्रोसेसनी काय केला जातो बाहेर सोडला जातो. ठीक आहे, तर या ठिकाणी गॅसियस एक्सचेंज होतं लंग्समध्ये, गॅसियस एक्सचेंज होतं. ठीक आहे, तर या 3 स्टेपमध्ये काय म्हणजे काय ह्युमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम जी आहे ह्या 3 स्टेप काय करते कंप्लीट करते. इन्स्पिरेशन, एक्सपिरेशन अँड एक्सचेंज ऑफ गॅसेस इन लंग्स. आता बघा ही आहे ह्युमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम. तर याच्यामध्ये याला म्हणायचं दिस इज दी नॉस्ट्रिल्स. दिस कॅव्हिटी इज कॉल्ड ॲज nasal cavity. This part is called as pharynx. Pharynx is divided into 3 parts, that is nasopharynx. This is the nasopharynx. Second part, that is oropharynx. And third part is that is the laryngopharynx. The whole structure is called as pharynx. Okay, nasopharynx, oropharynx and then laryngopharynx. Okay, the next, that is this particular structure is called as larynx. It is also called as sound box, voice box, larynx. Okay, this is the windpipe, that is trachea. Trachea divides into 2 branches, that is this one is the left, is called as left bronchus, and this one is called as right bronchus. Okay, left bronchus, right bronchus. And this is the left lung, and this one is right lung. Now this bronchus is divided into many branches. Okay, the main branch is called as primary branch. Primary bronchus is called as primary bronchus. Primary bronchus is divided again into secondary bronchus, and secondary bronchus again divided into tertiary bronchus. tertiary bronchus. And this tertiary bronchus leads into the many sac-like structures like they are also called as air sacs. The air sacs, alveoles or air sacs. Air sacs are the unit structure of the lungs. Okay. Now see, this is the nostril. This is the nose part. Nostrils are the external nares. Okay, leads into nasal cavity, nasal chamber. Then pharynx part is there. Pharynx. Okay, and this is the buccal cavity. And this particular part is called as nasopharynx. Okay, it is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Pharynx leads into next structure, that is larynx. Larynx means it is the voice box. Okay, this is the tracheal tube. It is located just front to the esophagus. Esophagus is called as esophagus. It is the tube, esophagus. Okay, this is the human respiratory system. Now this human respiratory system we can divide into two parts, that is upper respiratory system. Two parts we can: upper respiratory system and lower respiratory system. Okay, upper respiratory system and some parts are involved in upper respiratory system. The first one is upper respiratory system, external nares. Okay, second part is nasal cavities. Third part is internal nares. External nares, nasal cavities, internal nares, then nasopharynx, then nose, then throat, and last one is the associated structures. These are all these parts constitutes to form a upper respiratory system. Okay, external layer, nasal cavities, internal layers, nasopharynx, then nose, throat part, and associated structure. That is this part, upper respiratory system. Then lower respiratory system. Lower respiratory system involves the means it includes larynx, number one. Larynx. Number second part, that is trachea, bronchi. Third part is bronchi. Fourth, bronchioles. And last one is the lungs. All these parts, okay, all these parts constitutes to form a lower respiratory system, means upper respiratory system and lower respiratory system. Now see the first part, that is we can start from the nose. First part is nose. This is the nose, and this nose have two nostrils. That is the slit-like openings. Nose have a slit-like openings. That slit-like openings are called as nostrils or external nares. Or they are also called as nostrils. Okay. These nostrils or the we can say external nares. What is the function of these nostrils? It helps in for the entry of air into the nasal cavities. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे नॉस्ट्रिल्स मधून एअर कुठं जात आहे? नसल कॅव्हिटीज मध्ये जात आहे. ठीक आहे. नाव दिस नसल कॅव्हिटीज, नाव सी दिस नसल कॅव्हिटीज are divided into, means this nasal cavity are divided into left and nasal cavity is divided into left and right nasal chamber. Okay, this is the right nasal chamber and this one is the left nasal chamber. Okay. This nasal cavity divides into two chambers, left and right chamber. Okay, and this dividation takes place with the help of cartilage, special type of cartilage. By means this nasal cavity is divided into left and right chamber by mesenthymosine bone. Ethmoid bone cartilage, mesenthymosine cartilage. Okay. Now see, nose divides into nose having a nasal cavity. Nasal cavity divides into two chambers, and now each nasal chamber now see, each nasal chamber is divided into three parts. That is, the first part is vestibule, second part is, that is the respiratory part, and third part is olfactory sensory part. ठीक आहे. आता बघा, नोज जे आहे, नोजच्या आत नॉस्ट्रिल्स आत गेलं तर नसल कॅव्हिटी आहे. नसल कॅव्हिटी एका मेसेंथ्यमॉइड कार्टिलेजनी डिवाइड झालेली आहे आणि त्याच्यापासून चेंबर्स तयार झालेले आहे. नसल चेंबर, लेफ्ट अँड राईट नसल चेंबर. नाव दिस ईच नसल चेंबर इज डिवाइडेड इंटू थ्री पार्ट: वेस्टिब्यूल, रेस्पिरेटरी पार्ट and olfactory sensory part. Now vestibule is the proximal part. This vestibule is the proximal part. And this proximal part is internally lined by hairs. This proximal part internally lined by hairs. For what? Hairs. For trapping the dust and suspended particles. It traps means these proximal part, which is called as vestibule. It is internally lined by hairs, and these hairs traps the dust and suspended particles which are present in the inhaled air. Okay, inhaled air. Vestibule is the proximal part. समोरचा भाग आहे हा. It is lined by hairs, and these hairs traps the dust and suspended particles in inhaled airs. Okay. Second part is the respiratory part, and this respiratory part, it is middle part. It is middle part, and it is highly vascularized. Middle part highly vascularized is called as respiratory part, and this respiratory part or vascularized part, it makes the air warm and moist. means it helps for warming and moistening of the air, moistening of inhaled air. Okay. Next, third part is olfactory sensory part. This third part, olfactory sensory part, it is uppermost part, and it is lined by, this uppermost part lined by olfactory epithelium. It is lined by olfactory epithelium, and this olfactory epithelium is the sensory structure. That's why it detects the sense, means it detects the sense of smell, means it helps in the detection of smell, means for detection of smell. Okay. This is regarding the nose. First part, nose, slit-like openings are present, is called as nostrils. Through these nostrils air is inhaled, helps for the entry of air. These nostrils helps for the entry of air into the nasal chamber. Okay. Sorry, nasal cavities. And nasal cavity is divided into left and right chamber by a cartilage structure, that is mesenteroid cartilage. Okay. This each nasal chamber is divided into three parts: vestibule, proximal part, middle part is respiratory part, and uppermost part is olfactory part. Vestibule, it is internally lined by hairs, and hairs traps the dust and suspended particles from the inhaled air. Okay. Respiratory part, it is middle part and highly vascularized, and this respiratory part helps in the warming and moistening of inhaled air. Third part is olfactory part, it is the sensory part, and it detects the sense of smell. This one is the first part. Then second part is pharynx. Now this pharynx is divided into three parts. Nasopharynx, divided into three parts. The first one is nasopharynx, second one is oropharynx, and third one is laryngopharynx. Okay. Pharynx, this part is divided into three parts. This nasopharynx is the uppermost part of nasal chamber. It is the uppermost part of nasal chamber. Okay. Oropharynx means it is the particular part, or it acts as a common passage. This part acts as a common passage for food as well as air. Okay. And third part is the laryngopharynx. This nasopharynx continues into oropharynx, and oropharynx continues into the laryngopharynx. This laryngopharynx part is the posterior part, and in between nasopharynx and oropharynx, now see, in between these two, nasopharynx and oropharynx, a palate bone is present. Palate bone means आपला अंगठा जो आहे हा आत टाकल्यानंतर या ठिकाणी जो बोन असतो त्याला पॅलेट बोन म्हणायचं. काय म्हणायचं? पॅलेट बोन. And now this pharynx is associated with lymphoid organs. Means to this pharynx has a set of lymphoid organ. Pharynx has a set of lymphoid organ. Set of lymphoid organ called as tonsils. म्हणजेच फॅरिंक्सला असोसिएटेड जे लिम्फॉइड स्ट्रक्चर जे असतं त्याला काय म्हणायचं, टॉन्सिल्स म्हणायचं. ओके, दिस इज रिगार्डिंग दी टू स्ट्रक्चर्स, दॅट इज नोज अँड फॅरिंक्स. ओके, थँक्यू.